Hi everyone, this is Daduru Oya, one of Sri Lanka's largest irrigation projects. Wow, just look at this incredible view. Surrounded by beautiful hills and a vast reservoir, this place is peaceful, refreshing and perfect for anyone who loves nature. The cool breeze, the calm water, and the breathtaking scenery make it feel like a hidden paradise. The Daduru Dam is not just beautiful, it's also an important project that supplies water to thousands of hectares of farmland and supports communities across the region. Whether you are looking for a relaxing drive, stunning photography, or simply a quiet place to enjoy nature, the Daduru Dam is definitely worth visiting. If you are ever exploring Sri Lanka, don't miss this amazing destination. Thanks for watching and see you in the next adventure.